Hello everyone, it's really good to see you here all. So in today's video, we are going to learn how we can do open source contribution in GSSoC Summer of Code. So what you have to do, the first step is after getting selected, that's the first step, then only you can contribute, right? So just go on the GSSoC website, just type this, click on the GSSoC Summer of Code, this first website, right? So once you got on the landing page, just click on register here. Okay, just click on the project. So now you have 3 years of project, 2023, 2022, whatever you want, just click. I'm clicking 2023 project. So now here it has very clearly described for each and every repo or for each and every project what are the different tech stack that has been used there. So for this type of tech stack required for this project, you have to familiar with this type of tech stack, so on. So in the similar way, you have to align your tech stack interest with the tech stack interest or the tech stack that is present in the project here. So just scroll down and visit each and every project, and in order to get the feel like in which project you are actually interested to contribute about. So here you can see that there are so many different things. Let's suppose you know how to use React, JavaScript, or if you are familiar with Python, GitHub or so on, you can dive into that type of project and explore it more. So now let's go ahead. Okay, so here you can see that you can filter by tech stack. So let's suppose I am an ML expert and I wanted to contribute to the projects which are related to ML or some OpenCV or so on. So I'm just simply writing ML. So you can see that now I have so many different projects which actually uses ML in it. So what I do is I just explore it here, and you can see that here it has ML, ANN, CNN, OpenCV, Python and so on. So let's suppose I'm interested in this particular project, so I just click here. So just by doing so, you get to the repository where all the projects or all the information related to the project is there. So just once you got what type of project you wanted to contribute in, just go dive into the project and explore more about it. So here you can see that firstly read the readme file. It actually describes what are the different things they are doing in that particular repo. So they have described everything. So from here you got the idea like what they are actually doing. And this background knowledge is very helpful in order to you to contribute in this particular project. So let's suppose I wanted to have now I got the idea or background knowledge of this project. I wanted to contribute in it. So here you can see that I got a file which has awesome face operation. So when I dive into it, I found that they have so many different type of technique they are using in order to make some awesome face operations. Here also you got a readme file. So you can see that converting an image into a ghost image, and how it has done it is also mentioned here. So it has used bilateral filter, median blur and CV2, that is OpenCV. So by doing this, they got converted this image into this image. So this is a cool operation, right? So now you got the idea like what they are doing. So here, once you got the idea, now let's explore some more things. So here they have face swapping, and this is converting an image like this after like old age, how it like real age at 35 the person look like this, and at 85 the same person would look something like this. Yeah, so they have done so many cool stuffs, right, in this project. So I also know some OpenCV or some image processing techniques. So what I do is I just go here. So here what you have to do is you have to create new issue. So just click here Now what type of problem that you are solving, or what type of issue you want to create to get it resolved. So we are not solving any bug report, right? So we just skip this. We are actually requesting a new feature because I know how to add a new feature to it. I have like seen whatever the different face operation they are doing. I also want to create something like a sketch where we can give a photo, a sketch view of some pen color, or we can actually twist its color from black blue to some green pink or so, something like that. So I want to implement this feature, right? So what I do is I just click on feature request. So you have to click here, get started, and after doing that you have to describe whatever the things here it has written, and then just submit new issue. Once you have submitted the issue, you have to wait for it, and once your issue got approved, so here what I am saying is, so you have now submitted an issue. Let's suppose I am submitted this issue, right? Now once it got approved, so the owner of this project actually approve your issue, and after you got the approval, then you are only going to start doing or start working on it, or you can also work before it because most of the issue got approved. So adding different eyeliner filters. So yeah, this is an issue someone has created here. So what so she has created or he, I don't know who is he. Okay, so someone has created this Snapchat this issue that they wanted to add graphic eyeliners to Snapchat filters, right? This is a very cool thing. Now here it didn't have approval yet, but once it got approved, what this person do is they start working on it, and once you have worked on it, you have to just simply make a pull request, and once your pull request got merged, you have actually contributed to an open source project. So this is the overall little bit overview of how open source journey is, and yeah, this is it for this video. I'll do some detail like representation of how actually open source works, so that I'll do later, but yeah, for this video this is it. And if you liked it, do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.